Friends, today I'm going to tell you a story about dinosaurs. 1,000 years ago, there was a forest on the banks of river Gomati, and there were huge dinosaurs living in that forest. A few of those dinosaurs were herbivorous and survived by eating the plants of the forest, and some dinosaurs were carnivorous who survived by hunting the animals of that forest. All the animals in the forest would come to the banks of the river Gomati to drink water. There was a small village on the other side of the river. One day, Sonu was playing football with his friends on the banks of the river. At that time, a dolphin who was Sonu's friend was happily diving and swimming towards Sonu.
Hey, Sonu! I'm coming to meet you! Hey, Sonu! How are you? I'm good. And how are you, Dolphin? Even I'm good. I'm here to give you a good news. In some time, your friend Dinosaur is coming to meet you. Hey! Wow! Woo! 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 Look, friends, see! Who's there? My friend from Jungle Dinosaur has come to meet me!
Sonu, I'm scared. This dinosaur will kill us and eat us.
Don't be scared, my friends. I am Sonu's friend. I am not going to kill you.
Hey!
From today, you all are my friends, just like Sonu.
Hey!
Why didn't you come to meet me for so long, my friend?
I apologize, my friend, but I promise that I will come to meet you every day.
Hey!
So this dinosaur will come here tomorrow as well. I will come here tomorrow with some more hunters and lay a trap to catch this dinosaur.
I think now I should go, my friends. My wife must be waiting for me in the jungle.
Bye, Dinosaur!
Hey, Sonu! When is our dinosaur friend going to come?
He'll come in a little bit.
Everyone stay alert. The dinosaur is going to come in a few moments. As soon as the dinosaur comes, I will throw the net.
And then we will catch him very easily.
And then we will sell them to the circus.
Hey, friends! Look, dinosaur is coming!
We are very happy to see you, Dinosaur. Now let's play football.
Sonu, Monu and other friends are all playing with the dinosaur. And the hunters are waiting for the right time to carry out their plans. And that's when the ball comes towards the hunters, and the dinosaur decides to get the ball. The moment the hunter sees that, he fires the gun. And the dinosaur gets trapped in the net. He tries his best to break free.
Please save me, Sonu! These hunters will kill me! Sonu!
Stop it! I say stop it, or I will shoot you. My name is Jaikan Shikari. Get out of my way. Now, right now. Otherwise, I will kill you along with the dinosaur. Now, right now. So you'd better get out of here. Now, right now.
We're not scared of your threats. If you have the courage, then shoot. Now, right now. If you have the guts, then shoot the dinosaur. Now, right now. Otherwise, we'll make you pee in your pants. Now, right now. This is my commitment. And I am Jaikan Shikari of this area. आता माझी सटकली. Now, if you try to act smart, I'll put so many holes in you that you'll get confused where to pee-pee from and where to soo-soo from. Do you understand? Run, my dear friend! Run away!
You have saved my life, Sonu. I am never going to forget what you did for me. I am always going to remember you, Sonu.
For the past 6 days, Sonu and his friends wait for the dinosaur to come from morning to evening. But everyone gets sad because the dinosaur doesn't show up.
Sonu, will dinosaur never come to meet us again?
I don't know. I've been waiting for him for the last 7 days.
You know what I think? In order to meet him, we need to go to the jungle.
No, it's too dangerous there. I've heard that there are very huge carnivores dinosaurs there, and that's why I'll go there alone.
Don't go there alone, Sonu. Other dinosaurs will eat you alive.
If I've made a friend, I'll have to prove it indeed. I'll go there without fail.
But how will you cross the river, Sonu?
I'll take a ride with my friend Dolphin.
Sonu is going towards the forest by sitting on the back of the dolphin to meet his dinosaur friend. In a little while, both reach the forest side of the river.
Thank you for helping me reach the jungle, my friend. Don't thank me, but accept my apology, my friend, for I couldn't come to the jungle with you. I'm a fish, you see. If I come out of the water, I'll die. I'm sorry. Hey, Dolphin, there's no space for thank yous and sorry in friendship. In huge jungles, small little things keep happening, Senorita. Okay, now I'll take your leave. You're very nice, Sonu. If you need my help to return, I'll come immediately. Bye, Dolphin. Dinosaur! Dinosaur! I've come to meet you in the jungle. Where are you, dinosaur? Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
Although Sonu had called out to his dinosaur friend, but a dangerous dinosaur Gabbar Singh comes after hearing Sonu's voice. You gave me a call, little boy, and see, I have come.
No! I was calling out my friend Dinosaur. And you're not my friend.
My name is Gabbar Singh, and I am the king of this forest. And whatever I wish, I will do. I have not eaten a human for many days. Today I will eat you. Oh, what fun.
Dinosaur! 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 Help me!
I think it is Sonu's voice. He seems to be in some kind of danger.
And everywhere in this forest, when a small cub of a lion cries, the lioness says, "Son, sleep, sleep, otherwise Gabbar Singh will come." The whole forest is scared of me. Then how are you here?
Dinosaur! Dinosaur!
If you are scared, you are dead.
Help me!
Child, there is only one animal who can save you from Gabbar, and that animal is Gabbar.
You're wrong. Sonu's friend is here to save him. Sonu, you don't be scared. I am here to save you.
Grass and plant eating dinosaur. You think you can fight me? Now I will kill you and eat you. Huh?
Sonu, I will stop him. You run.
But how can I leave you alone in danger, my friend?
It's my responsibility to save your life. You go.
No!
If you won't, then we won't be friends. Run away.
Dolphin! 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 Dolphin!
As soon as the dolphin hears Sonu's voice, she swims towards the forest.
Come, Sonu! Come sit on my back, quickly!
Then Sonu quickly sits on the back of the dolphin, and the dolphin swims towards Sonu's village.
Thank you for saving my life, my friend. There's no space for sorries and thank you in friendship. If we've made friends, we'll have to prove it indeed.
And so, friends, how did you like the story of true friendship?
It was nice, sir. Really nice.
And what is the moral of the story?
That Sonu, Dinosaur, and the dolphin, all of them did what real friends do. So we should also value our real friends, because a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Very good. And tomorrow I will tell you another story. And if you like this video of ours, then please subscribe to our channel. And yes, do not forget to like and share this video. Thank you.